Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I can hardly believe that this piece of exercise equipment is a part of my home gym. This is the Teeter FreeStep Recumbent cross trainer stepper. It's the model LT7. Now, whether you're really trying to challenge yourself in your fitness journey, or if you're recovering from an injury, or maybe just a little slower than you used to be, this machine is so gentle. So it's seated and it has all kinds of different modes. You can have 0 resistance all the way up to 105 pounds of resistance. Now, I love using this all the time, especially in the evenings when I'm watching a show and I can challenge myself or have a really gentle, easy stride and just get my steps in for the day. Now, when you ramp up those levels, it can be super challenging. It burns your thighs. You can get such a good workout. You can get your sweat on. It's really awesome. But at the same time, if you just want to gently work your legs or gently work your arms, you can do one, the other, or in combination. The pedals are really large, and as a safety feature, you can lock them so it doesn't move when it's not in use. It also has great little details. The screen is large, it's very user-friendly, it has 2 cup holders, it has a spot on the top for a tablet or your phone. It's nice and quiet too, so it doesn't disturb anybody, and the cord is super long, so you have a long way to go to an outlet. Now, this came in 2 boxes. It was very easy to put together. I don't think I've seen instructions so well done before. Everything was numbered and packaged separately. It also has wheels, so it's easy to move around if you need to relocate it. So if you're looking to expand your home gym, this machine is awesome for everybody, all ages. It's rated for up to 350 pounds. It's height adjustable, so even if you're short or tall, you can use this. And no matter what your fitness level, you will be just fine on this machine. I cannot recommend it enough. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.